Welcome back to Gulfcoast Ultrasound News. I'm Lori Green, President and Program Director, and we have just finalized our 2021 course calendar, and we're excited to share our other educational resources. So let's get to it. We have Tricia Rio in downtown St. Petersburg ready to tell you all about it. The weather looks beautiful down there, Tricia.
That's right, Lori. It's a beautiful day here in sunny Florida, and there's no better time to get away from the cold weather and snowy days and to plan a trip to Gulfcoast Ultrasound to attend one of our 2021 courses. We've got a busy first quarter planned. We kick off January with our MSK Ultrasound course on January 25th. These courses are taught by the MSK experts and incorporate comprehensive lectures, live scanning demos, interactive case presentations, and ample hands-on scanning with live models, phantoms, and human cadaver labs. Then in February, we are hosting the emergency medicine and critical course everyone is talking about. Point-of-care ultrasound is blowing up in response to COVID, and this course will cover everything you need to know to provide your patients with the care they need. And for those of you preparing for a registry exam, we have got you covered with registry review courses in multiple specialties, all offered in a virtual format to make it as simple as possible for you. And don't forget about our 90-day Facebook challenge group, an interactive group on Facebook offered only to our customers. This group will keep you motivated and supported. Be sure to check us out at www.gcus.com for more information. Back to you, Lori.
Thanks, Tricia. We'd love to see everyone down here in sunny Florida for our hands-on courses, but for many of you, we realize that COVID-19 is still creating health concerns and travel restrictions. Ultrasound hands-on training is vital in order for you to integrate new skills into clinical practice. For that reason, we have developed the Remote Coach Virtual Skills Trainer. This is a groundbreaking 100% online training method to effectively provide real-time, hands-on training between the participant and world-renowned ultrasound experts. For more details on how to schedule your virtual hands-on training without the need to travel, call or visit our website. In addition to our remote coach, Gulfcoast Ultrasound has been working on more products to bring you the highest selection and quality of online learning. Gulfcoast Ultrasound, in collaboration with the POCUS Certification Academy, are providing the tools needed to successfully earn POCUS certificates and certifications with our comprehensive online courses and certificate bundles. We are also pleased to announce the new online courses, Urology Ultrasound, and the use of ultrasound for COVID-19. Gulfcoast Ultrasound is also constantly updating our registry review materials to match with the latest certification exams. Most recently, we are launching our new MSK mock exam from the world expert, Dr. John Jacobson. Your health and safety are our #1 priority. Let's go back to Tricia Rio to discuss some of our safety precautions that we have implemented.
That's right, Lori. We're implementing extra sanitation procedures within our facility and requiring the use of masks whenever you can't be socially distanced to keep everybody as safe as possible. Our great city of St. Pete is also on board with the COVID protocols. Everybody is wearing face masks and staying socially distanced so they can continue to enjoy the city they love so much. Let's talk now with a local resident and hear what he has to say. Hi, how are you?
Good, how you doing?
Good, thank you. So what do you think about what the city of St. Pete is doing to keep you safe during COVID?
I think they've done a great job. Everywhere I go, restaurants, bars, museums, anywhere, attractions around the city is felt safe and comfortable. Everybody's respectful of each other's space, and I think they're doing a wonderful job.
Great, well thank you so much for your input. So there you have it. Come and join us in sunny Florida in 2021 for one of our ultrasound courses and get your ultrasound on. We'll see you soon.
That wraps up our news update. We thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in 2021.